and they are naive and they don't know, they must come to the Youth League. They cannot go to Julius. They must come to you and ask, what is this GNU? And they don't know. These young people don't know politics. And they are popular. Amapiano and everywhere else. Those answers, they must get them from us. Now, when Malema was taken to the DC, we warned against that. That we are now taking away the Youth League. He must be corrected. But others took him to the DC for wrong reasons. Because Malema was beginning now to talk things that others knew how they came into presidency. That if we can allow this Youth League like this, it means it will affect my presidency. So we must get rid of them. And they did. And that was a disaster. And then we went to a conference of the Youth League elected leadership. That leadership did not finish its mandate. A task team was established. And then a conference was convened, successful. Pule was trotting. He will be talking today as former president. And then when we arrived there in that conference, mina angito sengingaphandle. Siyafika laphana, nabo Malusi were invited as always. Hey, the delegates, the conference is correcting nicely. I get a message there that this thing is not going to continue. How? Why? The leadership has taken a decision. There is a problem here. What is the problem? No, there is a problem here. Apparently, this conference is a problem. Somebody went to gossip to the leadership and said, that Pulemabe, if you think Julius was a problem, you will see Pulemabe on steroids. Cannot be allowed. The period of howling came with Julius. And the reason Julius we differed because other comrades wanted Saki. And then we said, no, Julius must come in. We cannot have presidents of the Youth League who are over age all the time. But the person who wanted to be president was Songes. And when we win in Pulugwani conference, Songes will come to my room. We won yesterday, we had a party, we were Papa last. And then he came to my room and then he started to say to me, hey, President, what do you think about the conference? Did it end out? I mean, we come from a hectic thing like this. You want us to discuss the Youth League conference? We'll discuss it at home. I know. I kept coming back. And then I just said, no, I think Julius must take over. Yo! He came to Joburg, convened everybody during December. No, that president is a problem. He wants that boy from Limpopo to take over. But I motivated that, look, why? We will train him, but it is time that Songes, we must leave Youth League to the youth. We cannot leave the Youth League all the time at the age of 37. And then the Youth League president all the time. Peter Mugabe left the Youth League, he was old. We only discovered at this party that he was 40. This man, he's been leading us over age. So we said, no man, let's prepare this. Of course we differed. Others argued for tradition and all of that. And obviously the preparations for that conference at the political level, we cannot be proud of because the membership was a disaster. People were showing buttocks there and all of that. Now, howling and not engaging began to be the talk of the town of the Youth League that is not engaging. And then did not reflect militancy. Whilst we're still working on that, the Youth League was disciplined. And Malema was expelled. When we went to Pulugwane, and we said no to 2 centers of power and no to third term, it's because comrades went to Comrade Mbeki, and then they said to him, you are still young, what are you going to do? Continue. And we were telling the whole of Africa that we, the ANC and our leaders, 2 terms is enough. So these ones, they said, no, at an organizational level, the president can continue, and then the ANC can have another president. We said, what principle guides that? Except just people's feelings. Who said that the president cannot be replaced? We didn't fight President Mbeki personally, but there are others who were fighting him because they could not handle him at an ideological level, including in the alliance. In the alliance, the outcry then, we had a very, very intelligent president of the ANC. One time I found myself in the toilet with Peter Mugaba, and then he said to me, what are we going to do? I said, what? He said, this president is too intelligent, more than all of us. It's dangerous for the revolution. I said, how is it dangerous? Is it not beneficial? He said, no, that is wrong. It's a problem. This man is too intelligent. He's too intelligent. It's a problem. And then that is the kind of president we had, Comrade TM. Others came because in the alliance, they said, no, the president takes decisions unilaterally. Because the president was engaging. And one time in the meeting of the alliance, we found ourselves in a meeting with President Mbeki. Other comrades were still coming. But the alliance component, all of them were present. They were there in the meeting at Shell House. And then as part of the Youth League, we're part of the delegation. So we arrived with the president. So they said, no, how are we going to start the meeting? Because the ANC delegation is not all of them here. It's COSATU and the Communist Party, Bomadisha. So we raised the hand there in that meeting. No, the delegation will find us on the way. The man you want, Kiwo, is around. Let's start, because you say the problem is the president. Let's start. Here is the man you want. And then President Mbeki presented a discussion document for that meeting. I think the title was Domestic and International Setting Analysis in the meeting. And then the ANC was too strong for the allies. I'm saying it boldly and openly to you. So when we went to Polokwane, because of that, other comrades joined us because they wanted to get rid of this nemesis called Thabo Mbeki. And then we, at that time, were very principled on what we wanted to achieve. Don't blame us on the candidate. We feel that we wanted Zuma. So I was with Sidle. We went to Mbeki. That's where our friendship with TM ended. It was Monday morning. So I'm concluding on that part. It was Monday morning. The NEC of the Youth League had decided we never took decisions and not briefed the ANC. We took a decision that no to 2 centers of power, no to 3rd term, and then we were now developing a document which we developed